Hello Live Wires, Heather Boyd Wire here.
Today I had a request from Jenny for a 6-point star ring made with a paper clip. So we'll take a standard paper clip or 3 3/4 inches of wire, and we are going to slowly open up the paper clip and just smooth out the little bends. You can do this by hand or by using your flat nose pliers. So we'll straighten out the whole clip, and then we're going to take our tweezer nose pliers. These are the Xuron brand tweezer nose pliers. They have very fine tips, and we are going to keep bending the paper clip back and forth to create the points of the star. So just keep going back and forth. Hold the paper clip firmly with the tip of the pliers and push the wire with your fingers against the pliers to make a nice sharp bend. Now we are going to keep going with this until we have our 6 points. You can do the same ring with a 5-point star. I have lots of tutorials for paperclip rings that I will link up in the description below the video. So then we're just going to flatten it out a little bit and do any little adjustments that you need to bring the points around so they're evenly spaced. So just bring it right around, keep going with it, and then we're just going to bend the one wire out to the side. Flatten it out a little bit. Make sure it's nice and straight. Curve the end and then hold it against a round form. I like to use these Crayola markers. It's a good size. Just push the end around. And then the wire is quite stiff, so you're going to have to round out that end using our round nose pliers. Then you can push up the wire to center it and do any little adjustments that you need. You can put it back on the marker or on a ring mandrel, press it against the marker, adjust it as you need, and you can curve out that end a little more if you need to. And there you have your beautiful 6-point star ring.
So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook.
You can get the templates in my Etsy DIY shop. Be sure to use the coupon code SAVE25 to save 25% when you purchase 5 or more templates, tutorials, or ebooks in my shop.
So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.